Sometimes your jokes are killing me. Oh my god, the way you prank me leaves me feeling mad. You get away with that so easily. It's funny and it's driving me crazy. It's never quite as when you are around, though it's fun, I can't deny. It's a fire we so different, but I'm lost to call you my friend. Think why we live, we laugh, and I hope that you can always be my friend. My friend, my friend, my friend, my friend. My friend, my friend, my friend. But despite the times when I wanna kick your butt, with you I don't never ever have to play pretend. You know me so well from inside and out, out. It's never quite when you are around, but it's fun, I can't deny. It's a fire we so different, but I must call you my friend. We cry, we live, we love, we laugh, and I hope that you can always be my friend. My friend, my friend, my friend, my friend. My friend, my friend, my friend. Side by side, our body lies a lot. Yes, my past, but we stand so you and I. Fly before you will be there to pick me up, I know. It's a fire we so different, but I'm blessed to call you my friend. We cry, we live, we love, we laugh, and I hope that you can always be my friend. You will always be you and me. Have you by my side forever and ever alive, my friend. I think it is love 'cause I love your profile. Your magic talk, I like the way you're so low. I'm having a fever 'cause you're so hot. Please answer my DMs, I like your on. Your magic talk, it all started when I saw your page. Seeing your smile, you took my breath away. I feel like I haven't known you forever. I love every word you say. Baby, you're my number one FYP. You chat with other people, but you notice me. I wish we could be more. Why don't you look my way? Hey, I think it is love 'cause I love your profile. You make it talk bad, like you look so well. I'm having a fever 'cause you're so hot. Please answer my DMs, I like it all. You make it talk guy. Hey, hey, hey. You make it talk guy. Hey, hey, hey. Is it too much to ask? A simple click. Feeling really anxious, I refresh the page. Still no new notifications. Still no one in your life. Baby, you're my number one FYP. Share with other people, but don't notice me. I wish we could be more. Why don't you look my way? Hey, I think it is love 'cause I love your profile. You make it talk bad, like you look so well. I'm having a fever 'cause you're so hot. Please answer my DMs, I like it all. You make it talk guy. Hey, hey, hey. You make it talk guy. Hey, hey, hey. Then one day I think that all my prayers finally were heard. Sadly now I find a better TikTok guy. I think it is love 'cause I love your profile. You make it talk guy, like you like it so well. I'm having a fever 'cause you're so hot. Please answer my DMs, I like it all. You make it talk guy. You, you, you. You make it talk guy. You, 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 you. On my mind, there's so much going on. I should maybe go and get somewhere. See the lights that are brighten up the streets, and those happy little kids, those corners where humans hiding all the problems, the faces that I the streets. On the streets. On the streets. Time I pass by, but cries late at night. Cause of the bills I used to pay, there might be no place to stay. You can be the one who's got a happy family. We all can glow and shine so bright. And I can only question why. What's your quest in this life? You tell me. So diverse, how everyone plays their part. Their verse, you can sit on the streets. Sit on the streets. On the streets. On the streets. Seeing you across the hall, I thought, oh my god, he's just a dream. Then you went and smiled at me, what a catch. In my diary, you were the one, you're the name I wrote on each page. You would make me smile every day, but then oh wait, why the hell you are in that cafe, holding someone else's hand, smiling just the way you smile at me, boy, I will let you break my heart. I don't wanna be your ex, your ex, your ex, not gonna reply your text, your text, your text, go play somewhere else, I ain't got time for that, you don't even feel so, guess you dodged the bullet. Third day you are knocking on my door, but this board is empty now, no more faces, shiny as up, you don't give up. Why the hell you are in that cafe, holding someone else's hand, smiling just the way you smile at me, boy, I will let you break my heart. I don't wanna be your ex, your ex, your ex, not gonna reply your text, your text, your text, go play somewhere else, I ain't got time for that, you don't even feel so, guess you dodged the bullet. Maybe I should give you a chance, lying to your face, you've done it once, you do it twice, so I will never act like you. Sometimes your jokes are killing me. Oh my god, the way you prank me leaves me feeling mad. You get away with that so easily. It's funny and it's driving me crazy. It's never quiet, it's when you are around. Though it's fun, I can't deny. It's a very so different, but I'm lost to call you my friend. Think why we live, we love, we laugh, and I hope that you can always be my friend. My friend, my friend, my friend, my friend. My friend, my friend, my friend. But despite the times when I wanna kick your butt, with you I don't never ever have to play pretend. You know me so well from inside and out, out. It's never quiet when you are around, but it's fun, I can't deny. It's a very so different, but I'm not to call you my friend. We cry, we live, we love, we laugh, and I hope that you can always be my friend. My friend, my friend, my friend, my friend. My friend, my friend, my friend. Side by side, our boring lives we like. Yes, my past, but we stand so you and I. Fire before you will be there to pick me, yeah, I know. It's a very so different, but I'm blessed to call you my friend. We cry, we live, we love, we laugh, and I hope that you can always be my friend. You will always be you and me. Have you by my side forever and ever. My friend. I think it is love 'cause I love your profile. Your magic talk, I like the way you're so low. I'm having a fever 'cause you're so hot. Please answer my DMs, I like you're on. Your magic talk, it all started when I saw your page. Seeing your smile, you took my breath away. I feel like I haven't known you forever. I love every word you say. Baby, you're my number one FYP. You chat with other people, but you notice me. I wish we could be more. Why don't you look my way? Hey, I think it is love 'cause I love your profile. You make it talk, I like you work so well. I'm having a fever 'cause you're so hot. Please answer my DMs, I like it a lot. You make it talk, you make it talk, Is it too much to ask? A simple click. Feeling really anxious, I refresh the page. Still no new notifications. Still no one in your life. Baby, you're my number one FYP. Share with other people, but don't notice me. I wish we could be more. Why don't you look my way? Hey, I think it is love 'cause I love your profile. You make it talk, I like you work so well. I'm having a fever 'cause you're so hot. Please answer my DMs, I like it a lot. You make it talk, you make it talk, Then one day I think that all my prayers finally were heard. Sadly now I find a better TikTok guy. I think it is love 'cause I love your profile. You make it talk,